We all fear being replaced by artificial intelligence, and one of the professions we've heard will be especially hard to replace is bioinformatics. Let's dive in together to understand what this profession is, how it differs from a regular programmer's job, what bioinformaticians actually do, how they work, and how you can enter this field. What is bioinformatics? Bioinformatics is a science that combines biology, programming, and mathematics to analyze and interpret biological data. For example, imagine you have a massive file containing a DNA sequence. A bioinformatician can write a program to find key genes or mutations in that file associated with diseases. Another example. In drug research, bioinformatics helps model how a molecule will interact with the cells of the body. What do bioinformaticians do, and why is it important? Genomic data analysis. For example, studying cancer cells. Bioinformaticians analyze tumor genomes to identify mutations driving cancer development. Why? This helps create targeted therapies that only affect malignant cells. Drug discovery. For example, computer modeling of molecular interactions. Bioinformaticians use algorithms to predict how a new compound will interact with a specific protein. Why? This accelerates drug development and reduces lab testing costs. DNA and RNA sequence comparison. For example, identifying new virus strains. Bioinformaticians analyze viral genomes to track their evolution. Why? This is crucial for vaccine development and disease control. Microbiome research. For example, studying gut microbiota composition. Bioinformaticians explore how bacteria interact with the human body and influence health. Why? This helps design probiotics or personalized diets. Clinical research. For example, developing biomarkers for diagnosis. Bioinformaticians analyze biological data to find markers for early disease detection. Why? Early diagnosis increases the chances of successful treatment. How do bioinformaticians work? Bioinformaticians not only understand biology but also actively use technology and coding. Here are the key steps in their workflow. Data collection. Work with massive datasets, including DNA sequences, protein structures, or clinical trial data. Use databases such as GenBank, Ensemble, or PDB, Protein Data Bank. Data processing. Write code in Python, R, or Perl to filter noise, normalize data, or extract key information. Often utilize pre-built tools and packages, such as Bioconductor for genomic analysis or PYMOL for protein visualization. Analysis. Apply machine learning algorithms, data clustering, or statistical methods to interpret results. Use data visualization to present findings in an understandable way. Modeling. Create models of protein, molecule, or cell interactions. Simulate how changes, for example mutations, might impact outcomes. Documentation and interpretation. Results are written into scientific papers, reports, or shared with biologists for drawing biological conclusions. These processes make bioinformatics the bridge between the lab and the computer. How is bioinformatics different from a programmer's job? Unique interdisciplinary nature. Programmers work with algorithms and data, but in bioinformatics, this data is about life itself. DNA, proteins, cells. Bioinformaticians don't just write code, they understand biology to interpret results. What does a genetic mutation mean? Which mutations are critical? Contextual understanding. A programmer can write software, but they may not explain why a specific DNA sequence is linked to a hereditary disease. A bioinformatician adds a layer of meaning. They know where biology intersects with data and can ask the right questions. Specialized tools and approaches. Programmers use general tools like Python, SQL, and cloud platforms. Bioinformaticians rely on specialized databases and tools. BLAST, Ensemble, PYMOL, and knowledge of biological pathways. Why is it hard to replace this profession with AI? Bioinformatics requires interpreting data with a deep understanding of biological processes. Even the smartest algorithms can't yet account for all the nuances of biology. For example, how different systems in the body interact, or how rare mutations in the genome are linked to rare diseases. Bioinformaticians also make decisions based not only on data but on logic, creativity, and critical thinking. How to become a bioinformatician? Education. Start with a basic understanding of biology, programming, and mathematics. Universities or online courses in bioinformatics can deepen your knowledge. Skills. Programming. Python, R, or Java. Databases. SQL and specialized biological databases. Statistics. For analyzing biological data. Practice. Solve tasks. DNA analysis, database work, visualization creation. Participate in projects or look for internships in research labs. Pro tip. Don't be afraid of biology if you're a programmer, and don't be afraid of coding if you're a biologist. The key is to start. Bioinformatics is a profession at the intersection of science and technology, helping us better understand life and combat diseases. Most importantly, it's one of the most promising fields where humans are still irreplaceable. If you want to learn more about bioinformatics or how technology is transforming healthcare, subscribe to our channel.